It's a classic Sinigang na Isda, everyone's favorite. Let's learn how to balance these simple ingredients to make this irresistible and healing Sinigang na Isda here on Channel 1. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Hello my friends, Kuya to, Rolo, your Kuya and Uncle here from Anda. We're cooking today a very nostalgic dish. Oo, paborito nating lahat ito. Especially the people from the north dahil maasim. It is Sinigang na Isda. It is Dorado, that's why it's a fatty fish. So magandang isigang dahil mataba siya. We know that mataba, fatty fish goes well with tamarind. So that's what we're cooking today. I'll be showing you the ingredients now. It's soup, so we need onion. It's fish, so we need ginger, tomato, and chili. Fatty fish preferably, and salt, and patis. And in this channel we don't just teach you how to cook, because we don't have formal cooking training. But we show you how to do it. We tell you about the tradition, some cooking tips, stories, and entertainment. And this is Channel 1, your growing and cooking channel. From Pinoy food to world flavors. This is your place. And since we're sharing this to the world, our Pinoy food to the world, mag-i-English tayo mga kababayan. Huwag niyong kaiwanan na, mag-i-English tayo. Ingitin natin ang mga Bombay at Thailandese. What makes this cooking today very special is that we are harvesting our balcony grown camote tops. Yeah, mas preferred ko ang kamote kaysa sa pichay na ilagay sa sinigang, so we're harvesting it today. Tara, harvest tayo. Iwanan mo natin ang kaldero. You can do the same. Plant camote in pots on a balcony or someplace sunny. You need the sun. This is sinigang. We don't have to slice or chop our spices very thinly, preferably chunks. The only ingredient that should be sliced thinly would be the ginger. We need to extract all its goodness, or just scratch it as an option. My mother did not do this. She always scratched the ginger and reuse it even. I got to show you something. I have a new acquisition for our channel, for our kitchen. Medyo palpak, but let's see. Ayan. Channel 1. Grow, cook, share. That's our slogan. Hindi nag-print yung 1. We have to have this redone. Of course, the channel, the channel didn't print well because it's blue on a black background. Hindi siya obvious. But the slogan is there: grow, cook, share. So let's start cooking now. For fish recipes, especially fish recipes na may sabaw, it's important to boil the ingredients, especially yung luya at sibuyas ng matagal, so that we can get all the goodness before putting the fish. Treat it as tea. My pot is showing aging. Kung ayaw niyo makita ng maduming pan, huwag skip yung ad para makabili ako ng bago. This is a simple recipe. I know you know this. We don't have to wait until this boils before putting these spices. We can put them now. Note that I'm using frozen chili. Yeah, I don't have to go to the garden for this. So I have harvested them earlier and frozen. Marami. These are the rest of my harvest. Frozen. I'm going to prepare our camote tops with some kangkong mix while waiting for that to boil. Di ba? multitasking. If you did not click away to this point, chances are you're enjoying what you're watching. So, if you enjoy really what you're watching, don't forget to give me a like, leave your comment, what do you want to see next, and subscribe, share it to the world. Ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo. But if your preference is travel, perhaps my barrio, my mundo is for you. I don't have anything to comment on this camote, so I'll be singing, I'll be expressing my homesickness. Hahanapin ko ang awit at tinig mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko. I didn't mention that obviously we don't have tamarind here, so we're using this Filipino invention, tamarind mix. Briskly boiling now, we can add the salt, and then the fish, and then the greens. That measure, it's always of course al gusto, according to your taste, the amount of salt. I can add the fish now. I have to put the tamarind mix first. It does not matter. I can put it now. Add the camote now. And along with it, the patis. Fatty fish, patis, and sampalok go well together. That's why don't be afraid to add more patis than usual. It will make wonders really. I didn't show it, pero linagyan ko ng veges. Bawal na gamot. And if you enjoy watching our cooking show, don't forget to watch our other videos upcoming next. Every Wednesdays we're uploading cooking from the garden. Fridays from here at our little kitchen. And if you prefer travel, perhaps My Body, My Mundo is for you. It's ready. Kakain na tayo. Huwag niyong iwanan na, kain tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Serve na natin. The audio comes from the television. That's National Geographic. And is presented in British English. Di ba magandang pakinggan? Kung Ilocano ka, mas madaling gawin yan than the North American English. Enjoy our Sinigang na Dorado. Look at that. Yeah, with sili.
The destructive power of an explosion comes from detonating fossil boats and fancy castles.
At ito ang ating Sinigang na Dorado with camote tops. Thank you for joining me here today, your kuya. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin. At gawa na rin. Masarap ito. Lami talaga. This is soothing and filling. Sinigang na isda. Oh, hindi ko ipagpapalit ito. I will be eating this with just rice without any additional ulam. Ito lang at hindi ako inom. So that I can enjoy it in its own. Ayaw kong haluan ng ibang flavor to enjoy it. Oy, ang sarap. Talaga. Oy, kuhang-kuha. If you only can taste this, if you can only taste this. Gawa na rin. I'll give you the proportions of the ingredients in the description box below. So, hanggang sa muli, here or at the garden. See you at the next video. Your kuya uncle here, Romulo. Diyos nagbati. May utang pa ako sa mga kaibigan taga Visayas. Gagawa pa tayo. We'll be cooking a humba at hopia. I know it's your favorite. At Korean